What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday, where today we're going to be covering how you guys can airbrush realistic flames. One of the most popular concepts amongst sneaker customizers has definitely been the theme that was used on the Paranorman Foamposites, where we got this really cool set of green flames used up against this deep black on this Foamposite base. They popped right off. Everybody loved this theme as soon as they saw it, and this theme has been done on a ton of different sneakers over the years, like we mentioned, by countless sneaker customizers. So today we're going to be teaching you guys how you can do this super easily. So let's go ahead, throw 2 minutes on the clock, and dive right into it. Flames are definitely one of those things where practice makes perfect, and it's definitely a good idea to just start with the simple sketch so you can really start to understand the shape and feel of realistic flames. This is the same technique that we'll be doing when we actually get to the airbrushing. You're going to start with some simple dagger strokes, just really getting that shape of the flame. This is definitely different than a classic hot rod flame, but these, after you get these simple dagger strokes, you're just going to go ahead and start simply filling these out a little bit more. How you're going to do that filling out process is with all the different curves that come with your freehand stencil set. Alright, so now let's go ahead and do this for real. You definitely want to start with a nice deep black background and then just some straight white paint, and then just go ahead and lay down a few of your dagger strokes, and you want to make sure that you have some nice sharp ends at the top of these. After that, you want to just start filling it out a little bit more with this free hand curve set, and one thing to definitely keep in mind is that less is more. This whole process is very similar to sketching overall, where you start with some nice simple guidelines and then you just start really filling out in between. You can definitely add more over time, but like I said, less is more. So after you feel you have a nice little setup with your first few flames, you're gonna go ahead and take some of your main color that you're gonna be doing. In this case, it's gonna be a nice candy green. We're gonna go ahead, thin that out a ton so it's super thin, and then just spray that over all of your white flames. After you have that done, you're gonna go ahead and follow that same process and start filling out these flames a little bit more with a nice new set of white flames right on top of this. After you have this new set of white flames laid out on top of your green ones, what you're going to do is introduce a secondary color. In this case, I'm going to do a little bit of yellow mixed into my green, and that's going to create a really nice interplay on these new flames mixed on top of your old flames, really tying the whole project in together. And that is a wrap on it, guys. So there you have it, guys. That's a wrap on today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this segment where we went over some realistic flames. If you guys are enjoying these 2-Minute Tuesdays, make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you're subscribed to the page, as we plan on dropping one of these every other week. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and we will see you guys in that next video.